I got my wacky hairdo and shit. Hold up. This shit is 4 a.m. in the morning. This shit looks beautiful out here. You have no idea. You're fine. You're a dog. You got fur. I don't. Let's go. Like, you can't even. Let's take that off. Like, it sucks because the camera doesn't even capture what I'm seeing right now. It's 4 a.m. in the morning. Oh, it's so fucking, like, it's beautiful out here. My car's like covered in snow right now. I just got here and my car is like already covered in. Bam. Yeah. Yeah. This type of shit doesn't really happen in Kingman. Last time this happened was in like 2014 going on 15. It was New Year's. And it snowed all day, non-stop. It was crazy. My hands are cold now. I'm going back inside. I just want to show like 4 a.m. And you can't see what I'm seeing. But this is fucking beautiful. Snow! Holy shit. You go outside? Yeah, I'm not going any fucking where. Holy shit. It's a fucking cake on there. Alright, this is what it looks like now. 4 a.m. It's like what, 7? Come on. That way? Yeah. It's like 7:42. This is what it looks like now. This is. Oh, dude. It goes all the way up to my shins. Holy, like mid-shin type shit. I've never seen snow this thick before. He's trying to crawl in it. You don't know what's going on. I'm gonna. Oh, this is gonna be fucking cold as shit. Holy fuck. Yeah, dude, this is fun. Dude. Oh, this is so cold. I ain't even gonna lie right now. I didn't even know it was gonna snow. This is like. This is like. It's got a Vietnam flashback over there. Ah, dude, no. I don't have my keys. Like, I just woke up and my car is like covered in like snow. I think it's 8-10 inches right now. I gotta march through this shit. Look, British people. Oh, okay. Well, I'll attempt a second try later. Dude, get it. He's fucking going for it. Holy shit. Alright. This gotta happen. It's just roll back. Just roll back. And I'm gone. Just like that. Oh, that's cold. Oh yeah, that's cold. Oh yeah, that's cold. I'm cold. Let's do this again. Attempt 2. We're gonna actually, like, this shit is so deep, like, I don't think you understand. It's gonna fucking kick it. Fuck it. It actually works a lot better than trying to stomp into it. Just drag it along. He's back there. Take 2. Look, so you get an idea how deep this is right now? Holy shit. I don't know if that's actually gonna work. That picture. So you get an idea. And right there is my car. And I'm just like leaving a trail. This is my, I don't know if you see it or not. Like, the snow is like falling in my face. But I'm like leaving a big ass fucking trail. Holy shit, dude. Like, this shit is up to my knees. Just about. Yeah, I'm not going any fucking where. Ice crystals. I can't even fucking keep that open. Yeah, I ain't fucking with that. I was gonna go grab something, but I can't even get my fucking trunk open. Yep, okay, so plan 2 failed. Plan 3 is wait for the snow to melt. Dude, this is so fun. I'm just gonna fall back. Dude, it's just... Oh. Yeah. Let's fall back. Oh. Oh no. Attack the snow. I woke up like this. I woke up like this. Dude, like, holy hell, like, that is crazy. Like, look how, this is, I've never seen snow like this before. Maybe when I was like 8 years old on Mount Charleston. But dude, I'm in the middle of the fucking street right now. This is crazy. This is epic. I've never seen it look like this. Thumbs in the snow. I'm gonna die. No! This is insane. My hands are freezing right now. I'm gonna have to snow it, dumbass. Well, snowing in Kingman. Whoa, look at this guy's mailbox. He's got like snow on snow. Look at like cars, trucks have been running through this shit. Holy fuck. I kind of want to just get in my car and just do a donut. Do something. Drive real quick. This is insane. I'm like dragging my fucking feet. I'm not even walking, I'm dragging my feet. So I don't like... Power fucking run to that bitch. That is insane. Okay, close. Alright. Oh, holy shit. I've never... Are you happy? You didn't even do anything. You just watched me struggle. Again, but with no jacket. I want to go in the backyard. Want to go play in the snow? Come on, let's go play in the snow. He's like trying to keep up with me. He's trying to keep... This is nuts. Oh, it's like really fucking deep right here. Holy shit. Effects. There you go. Let's go back. Come on. Don't walk in front of me. Don't stop. Keep going. What are you doing? What are you doing? I don't walk around your ass. I don't know what he's doing. See something. He wants something. Okay, dokie. Back inside. Come on. Yeah, you're covered in snow. You look happy as shit right now. Look how happy you look. It's like, it's not even cold. It's just like, I want to say hydrated, dehydrated, but that is not it. It's like, the atmosphere is enough for it to snow, but it's not like it's like cold. You know what I mean? Maybe if the wind was blowing, but it's not like cold. I can't get over that in my car, dude. It's a snowmobile. Alright, so one thing I'm learning is that you want to push your legs through the snow and not walk in the fucking thing. So you want to be lazy and drag your feet through it. Right there's a trash can. You get an actual idea how deep this thing is. It's like halfway up to the trash can. Yeah, like I said, it's not really cold. Someone's driving. It's not like, it's like freezing cold. It's just, the atmosphere is, can't think of the fucking word. It's good enough for it to snow, for it to stick the way it is, but to me anyways, it's not that cold. I mean, obviously, the atmosphere has to be good enough for it to snow like this, but like it's not like freezing like you think it would be unless you dive into the snow. That's what I'm trying to say. Like the atmosphere is just good enough for the snow, but it's not like it's freezing. Like I don't need a jacket. Get it, get it. Yeah, dude. Get that shit. Plowing through that. There we go. All right, let's go inside for good. I'm done fucking around in the snow.
We got a little bit of snow. We should be in business.
I just shoveled my foot. Now, dig out the truck. Whew. Yeah. Kind of. Whoa. 10 a.m. Whew. I had to run, try to help push them up a little bit. Holy fuck. I don't even know how much battery life I have. 23%. I'm gonna die. Oh, so we got them in the driveway, kinda. I can't feel my toes. I bet you're loving the snow. Fuck yeah. It's only 10.
Yeah.
Only 10 a.m. The snow is starting to somewhat melt. It's definitely more slippery. Ooh, I could actually see my car. That's fucking thicker. It's a lot better. See if she moves. That was easy. Kind of want to do the same thing with my car.
No.
Stuck?
No. I wanted to turn around. Well, I can fucking back straight the fuck out of here. Okay, I'll be back here soon if I can't get out.
Alright. There he goes. But me, on the other hand. This is dope. I'm actually tempted to move my car just to move it. See how things work, huh? Still going. He'll be back. So, continue with my plan. I'm tempted just to move my car, just to move it. but I think I'm gonna hold off on that. Hopefully it doesn't actually snow again. Now that is beautiful. I love that. Snow is melting. Holy shit, I think it's all over now. Hell yeah, and I got it all on tape too. Little birdie. But I am so digging that. That is beautiful. That is just fucking awesome. Sun's melting now, or sun's melting. The snow is melting. So it is like 8:04, 8:16. Okay. And, I guess we're gonna get more snow tonight, so I gotta clean off the canopy, I guess you want to call it. So, snowman, snowman, snow. Just got done cleaning the canopies. I am like soaked from all the snow falling on my head. It is like quiet. It's so weird. It's extremely fucking quiet out here right now. I saw a bulldozer come through this motherfucker. Like, where you guys been at? All day today. Can't believe how like soaked I am right now. Holy crap. Put the hoodie on. I want to slip. So, earlier, I actually tried to move my car. Bam. Yeah. That's all new. You could totally tell where like the old one is. Like this is all old. And like the other one, just kind of like the new snow kind of just like comes off. I did have all that cleared off. Now it's so I guess we're expecting another 6 to 8 inches of snow. Oh, but it is beautiful out here. I don't know if you guys, let me switch this camera around. Can't see shit. Get it, dude. He's quadding in that bitch. That is so awesome. I wish I had a quad. And then Porsche. So, I guess it's kind of dumb because it's like right in my face. Not the light, but the snow. So, I'm chilling. So, I'm cool. Roll over. Ah! Oh! In my face. Oh, that's a rush. What's wrong with me? Okay, I'm done being a weirdo. The neighbors are probably looking at me like, what the fuck? Yeah, that car ain't going fucking nowhere. Where you going? Fucking nowhere. I'm stuck here at my grandma's house, so I can't do the shit I want to do. Okay. And that's what I look like right now. I am gonna definitely go warm up. I got shit all up in my pockets. Snow vlog. So it is, I think like 8:30, 8:50. Let's say 47. I woke up about an hour ago. And, I'm still snowed in. I can't fucking go anywhere. It's annoying. But it's cool that it snowed, but you know, like enough is enough now. Can't go anywhere. Wait for the sun to actually come out, melt the snow, I can fucking go somewhere. This shit sucks. So, first time outside today. Look how beautiful that is. Holy shit. That is just... Hold on, I gotta turn it around. How fucking beautiful that is. I don't want to slip. That's bright. Coming out here into the sun. This is dangerous right now. There's the sun. So, snow is like really soft right now because it's melting, which I'm fucking happy for. What was it? Last night I started making this little thing over here. Hold on, I'm gonna sculpt something. That's what I'm gonna start sculpting with. I just love that, dude. I feel like I'm in a Western. That's so fucking beautiful. Anyways, yeah, my finger is like fucking cold right now because I have holes in my gloves. So right there should be my little sculpture. Yep, I already mounted it up. I know what I'm gonna make. There it is. Made it. Hell yeah, my favorite Pokemon. Dude. Looks so legit recording it. Yeah, that's all me. Hell yeah, that is all me. Let me. Yep, there it is. Bam. I made that shit. Bulbasaur, baby. So, I'm done. That's what I wanted to do. My ass is freezing now. Cannot deny. That is dope as shit. I love that so much, dude. That is so awesome, dude. It looks so legit. Dude, it's like the further away you get, the better it looks. That looks so sick, dude. I've never made an ice sculpture or snow sculpture like that before. But dude, I am so in love with that right now. I impress myself. I impress myself. So I'm actually trying to move my car just for shits and giggles, see if I can move it now and clear out some of the back way. But I don't know about all that, man. Like, that's gonna take some time. Yeah. So that's all in touch snow. So we're gonna go fucking four-wheeling in this bitch. Hell yeah, dude. It's fucking golden. As you can see, like, kind of got a little carried away there. You can see right where I moved from, which is bitching. That kind of looks badass over there, doesn't it? Little car over there. That looks sexy. We got wild dogs. Maybe they are. Maybe they aren't. I guess they're with. Maybe with Homeboy up there. So fucking glad we're not just stuck here anymore. Yesterday was fucking boring. Holy shit. I had no work. I was just fucking stuck. But that's bitching, dude. I just like how my car's just sitting there in the snow. That's sexy. So I'm gonna let the snow melt a little bit more and then I'm gonna go do my fucking thing. So fucked. I worked so hard on my Bulbasaur. This guy comes over here and pisses on its face. I don't know if you see that or not. Came over and like pissed on its face. Dude, why? Why would you do that? That Bulbasaur did nothing wrong. I was playing with this fucking thing last night. This wheel. I don't know if that's gonna work. I can't believe you, Effects. I can't believe you. I worked on that Bulbasaur sculpture for probably half an hour straight. And you come along and piss on it, like legitimately. You piss on it. Yeah, I know you don't give a fuck. Hell yeah, I'm so happy right now. I should have went back that way, but whatever, we'll go down this way. Hell yeah. This is so dope. Actually, So you actually get to see Kingman right now, what it looks like and everything. Dude, I am loving the view. The weather was pretty cool. The snow was fun, especially when I created my Bulbasaur. But after that, man, it's just like fucking, I want to get shit done. I want to go places. So it's cool for a minute, and then it's just like, all right, man. Like, because I'm not the type to just sit at home all the time. Let me turn this around here. Not just the type to sit at home or whatever. Like, I can't, like, I mean, unless I'm working on my businesses, but if I'm just sitting around like I did yesterday, if you really like this video and you like what you see, like, comment, subscribe, you know, share, you know, support the channel. I would appreciate it. And click the links down below. If you're a newer artist, go ahead and click on those tabs down below. You know, get yourself a mic that's about $100, and it's the mic I use. It's durable. I love the fuck out of this thing. I think I'm gonna use it until the wheels fall off. So, but yeah. So, like I said, like, comment, and subscribe. Please smash that like button. I would appreciate it a lot. And well, till the next video. Much love, y'all. Deuces.